Guys, welcome to a new video, a brand new channel, all things Blackpool. And yeah, it's a bit of a overcast day today. Going to walk up towards Living Road, and I'm going to go and take a look at the site where the Hartes Christmas shop is, because I believe now it's actually been knocked down. So we're currently walking along Arnold Avenue at the moment. You can tell autumn's kicking in, can't you? Look at all these leaves on the floor here. Wrong way. I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3. Still got the Osmo Pocket 2. I've got my GoPro with me. So I know the Osmo Pocket isn't really weather friendly. So let's just say I've got myself covered for all weather occasions. Yeah, look, all these leaves along the floor. You can tell autumn's kicking in anyway. It's worse. What I like about the Osmo Pockets is that they're portable and easy to carry. You can easily slip it into your pocket or something. Yeah, we're just coming up here to 2nd Avenue at the moment. Oh, look at where we are. Yeah, so we're still on Arnold Avenue at the moment. Go up to 1st Avenue now. I just hope it doesn't rain. But yeah, you can tell it's autumn now anyway, because the weather's just starting to drop a bit. Got leaves coming off trees and everything. And to be fair, we didn't really have much of a summer. But yeah, I do have other Blackpool videos on my main channel, which is it's like a gaming channel. But I didn't realise I'd be doing so many videos of around Blackpool. And yeah, I just thought I'd make a new channel and start keeping stuff separate. So I think I've been doing it on and off for a bit. I started it doing for a year, and I thought, you know what, I think it's time to make a separate channel completely. So I've called it All Things Blackpool. But even though it's called All Things Blackpool, I'll probably do the odd videos here and there out of Blackpool. So it doesn't mean that I'm going to limit everything just to Blackpool. But 90% of the time, everything's basically going to be based on Blackpool. So yeah, that's what this channel's about. Look where we are now. Anfield Academy. Yeah, so we're just walking along Living Road. going to continue up here up until we get to Waterloo Road. And yeah, we'll have a look of the remains of the Hartes Christmas store. It's a shame to know it's gone. It's a shame to see it's gone, but at the same time, it'd be nice to see what's going to replace it. So yeah, I'm going to continue up here. I'll join you guys a bit further on. There we go, new app called Go Blackpool. Discounts, attractions, shopping, food and drink, local news. Download today to unlock even more Blackpool. Be part of the community. And just walking past this, Church Hall, open today. Breakfast and bric-a-brac. So that is on Thames Road. So I might keep an eye out for that. Whenever it's on again, I might take a sneak peek. And see what it's all about. Look at this supercar here. Looks nice, that. Lotus. Didn't even know what car it was till I actually got a bit closer to it. And I think these are either flats or apartments. I'm not too sure which, to be honest. Yeah, so we're going to continue up Waterloo Road and catch up with you all again a bit further up. Yeah, so I'm just opposite this church here on Bond Street. Even got lights on. Something's going on. Ooh, look how nice that looks. Yeah, it's the Holy Trinity Church. Just opposite this premium shop here, which I've just realised has got solar panels on the roof. And so we're going to continue walking up here on the street. Look at all these shops here that are all boarded up. Yeah, unfortunately it's a sight that we need to get used to. Look at all this stuff here. Got Elvis Presley in the window as well. Yeah, so here's what remains of the Hartes Christmas shop. And there's still more to go. Oh my heck, what a mess. What a mess. Can you even see? That on top of there. So they've, even though it's been going on for a couple of days, they've got all this cornered off. But yeah, they've still got a lot more work to do yet. Look at that piece of flooring there just hanging down. Wonder if I can zoom into it. Yeah, what a mess. But it needed doing. Yeah, it used to be a Woolworths store back in the day. I didn't really see it as a Woolworths store, but I saw it as a Hartes Christmas store. I think they've still got the... Yeah, they've got this alleyway all closed off. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. I'll catch you all in the next video.